Hi friends, jumping back into projects. Today I'm going to be making a pinboard, some magnet picture frames, and it's just going to look very adorable. First things first, we are going to get started with the pinboard. So I'm just going to cut out the size that I want, and I also have the fabric as well. And the fabric that I chose is this really cute cream color with some white florals. So I'm just going to get it started. Now that we have our pieces cut, I'm going to be laying the fabric on and stapling it to the back, and it'll be done basically. I'm trying not to make too much noise with the foam because I know some people have sensitivity to, or sensory sensitivity when it comes to the noise foam makes. So I'm trying to be mindful.
After laying the fabric down neatly, I noticed there were still a few creases that I ended up smoothing out later with the steamer. So if you decide to make a pinboard yourself, it's probably worth taking a few extra minutes to steam or iron the fabric before jumping into the project. I was a little eager to get started, and skipping the prep work definitely made the process less seamless than it could have been. After gluing and stapling everything in place, I took a couple of picture frame hooks and hot glued them to the back of the board. It's been a few weeks since the last time I posted, and honestly, it feels really good to be back and creating again. Life's been busy lately, and I'm sure it's been the same for a lot of you too, so I really appreciate you spending a little time with me today, and I hope you enjoy watching the creativity unfold. Originally, I had the idea to make magnetic picture frames for the refrigerator, but I didn't want to limit the idea to just the fridge. So, when I started the pinboard project, I decided to add a little extra by turning these cute little frames into pinboard accessories. I attached a few thumbtacks to the back, and honestly, they ended up being such a fun addition to the board. I actually found it a lot easier to use a glue stick instead of a hot glue gun, although I went through that glue stick pretty quickly, so I probably should have picked up a few more. I'll keep that in mind for next time though, so that's next time's problem. This frame also has a little sleeve on the back where I can store all the business cards I've collected. Some are from coffee shops, and others are from food spots Eric and I have visited on date nights together. Hanging up a few cute mementos from one of our favorite coffee shops, some photos from our adventures, and even a few postcards from past trips really made the pinboard feel a lot more personal and special. Now it's time to get into the magnetic picture frames. I think this project is such a sustainable and budget-friendly idea. I've been collecting and recycling old boxes, cutting them down, and storing them away for different projects like this. You could even take it a step further by thrifting fabric or using old garments you are already planning to donate or get rid of. It really turns the whole project into a fun way to upcycle and give new life to things you already have. I'm really hoping you love these projects, and if you did, please let me know which one was your favorite. I can't wait to share more projects with you soon, so don't forget to hit the like button and notification bell so you know the next time I post. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe. I'll see you all next time. Until then, peace out.